it take to be a successful seller on Pinterest? Yes, I'm talking about selling on Pinterest, not just marketing on Pinterest. Because I am a seller on Pinterest with a big experience for over 8 years. I'm using Verified Merchant Program and I'm building brands on Pinterest organically without any advertising. And today I'm going to show you and guide you how to build your business on Pinterest and why you should do it. So let's start from Pinterest, how this platform works for sellers. First of all, you should understand that Pinterest is a search engine, right? So this is like Google in images. So this is not a social media where you are committed to reply to comments, to messages, and you are involved so much into the content. No, here, this is a very stable and a search engine that will bring traffic to your store organically, absolutely organically. And Pinterest is a purchase planning platform. What does it mean? So when people go on Pinterest, they are planning to purchase the things that they like. So first, for example, so people create boards and they are planning to buy some products, for their pet, to buy some gifts. So they just find the product and they save them to boards. They can make these boards secret, they can make them open, public, and they just create boards and they save and they create as many boards as they want, and they save products that they like and they would purchase later, right? So this is how Pinterest works, because people save products to purchase later. And this is how your product from your store gets to the customer board. And this is how it works on Pinterest. So when customers already saved your product, later they come back to this board and they purchase it, because they're not going to search it again, it would take their time. They already have the picture, they have the idea, and everything is organized on their board. So this is like planning platform, and that's why for sellers this is essential with their products to be on Pinterest. Yes, so this is not like Facebook. They clicked, they bought the product immediately, and then you have the sale. Here you can get sale in 3 months, in 4 months after they saved your product. But once you created your content, once you uploaded your picture to Pinterest, which is called pin, or you connected your Shopify store to Pinterest, you have your pins here and they continue bringing you traffic and work for you, for your store, and bring sales. This is like a snowball effect, and it really works. Yes, Pinterest works in almost every niche, I would tell you. And you should think from the customer perspective. For example, wedding. If a woman is getting ready to get married, so she's planning this event, how she's going to decorate the wedding table, what dress she's going to buy, shoes, how guests are going, to have the invitation. So everything she's going to plan carefully, and she will pin it to her board and then buy from your store if you are selling wedding decor, for example. So Pinterest works like this because this is the planning purchase platform. And in everything, in home decor, people are planning to move, people are planning to renovate their house, they go to Pinterest. They don't go to Amazon, because Amazon is not helping them to pick the correct color, to pick what suits, your sofa, what rug would go together with your sofa, what color walls. Amazon is just saying you, okay, this color, this paint, you buy for this price. That's it. This is a supermarket. And that is why people prefer Pinterest to plan their purchase for their houses, for their big events, and even for pets. And what you should understand, that you should not listen to marketers who are promoting you marketing on Pinterest, because we are going to sell products. From the very beginning, it's very important to create optimized boards. Yes, because people are not subscribing for your account. This is not Instagram. This is not a social media. They subscribe to your board, and this is important because people who are interested to buy dog clothes, so they are going to follow your board, even not your account. And you have to understand that Pinterest is not a social media, so people are not following accounts to get information. This is not Instagram, where they will be notified that this account, there is a new reel or new story. No, there is nothing like that. People are following boards. So, for example, people are interested in pets clothes, and they want to buy some clothes for their pets for the future, for the winter, for summer, some funny costumes. And this is where your products will be. So your first task, to create as many well optimized boards. And the demand, so this is what I also heard from other videos, that you need to go to to advertising, and from there you will get like the search volume for advertising, for this keyword, and you can use it giving the name to your product or even to board. No, it doesn't work like that. Organically Pinterest and advertising, these are two completely different things. So if you want to be successful organically, because we need to be organically present with our brand, you need to understand the demand for your products and how to name your board. First of all, you all have here, because Pinterest is showing us even everything here. So pet clothes patterns, pet clothes, and here if we have a very long keyword line here, so then it means that there is a big demand for pet clothes. And I have here a lot of things, so even Christmas, so it can be another board, pet clothes Christmas, pet clothes patterns like crochet patterns or sewing patterns, right? So lots of things here, and everything you have here, and you don't need advertising to understand the demand. So it's all here. So I would definitely go for crochet, so I would create the board for pet clothes crochet, and then I would optimize it as well. There are tools, there are tools, there are paid tools to get clear understanding how many times people are searching organically for these words. But in the meantime, to start with, you can start just from this understanding that there is a demand here. And actually, so you can have all the ideas, for boards from here. Yes, so this is the first step to create for your shop, for your Pinterest account, to create cool boards. So let's do it quickly. So this is absolutely new account. I have no logo here, so it's really good to add profile cover image. We'll do it later. So now, so we have to create boards, and this is so easy. When you go to your account, saved, you go to board, and you write the name, pet clothes Christmas. We already saw that this is in good demand. And definitely there is a potential here. So I create this board. So what I'm doing the next, right? So if I already have kind of these products in my store, I can create pins of different sizes. Yes. So, and don't think that you have to create large pins like this one. So small pins, they also work very, very well, because Pinterest has to fill the feed from different sizes. So there should be small pin and a big pin. That's why you see how they fit here for me, all different sizes. So even this size is working very well. And if you noticed, so now I'm looking at products, right? And there are no prices. This is the next part I'm going to show you. Have you ever seen any marketplace like that with no prices? How people choose the product? They just pick the image because they like the product and they're not looking at prices. This is how Pinterest works, and this is absolutely amazing. That's why we are not competing on Pinterest on price. We do not lower price. We price our products as high as possible and we sell it like that. Let's have a look. And now we are looking at products, right? Because here we have this tag. This is a product. This is not just a picture, some random picture people added here. Do you see any price? No. And this is the best thing. People make decision based on image. If they like the image, they buy it. Comparing to Amazon, when you go to pet clothes, you see, okay, this is $8, this is $25, $9, $21. You're competing on price. Basically, people, Amazon is pushing cheapest products to the top, and you won't be able even to see the products that are much higher priced. So Pinterest is absolutely great for selling because people don't see the prices, right? And if you compare the products, because people asking me, what should I sell? So the top sellers here will be some boring stuff, some, very manufactured, made in China. You see some boring colors, black, gray, I don't know, some boring. Look what's selling on Pinterest. This is so cute, and it really sells. Because people are looking on Pinterest for something unique, something cute, something nice. Amazon will not sell these products because Amazon pushes cheapest and the most boring, the gray, the black, and these products will sell really cool on Pinterest. So look at this platform as a planning purchase platform for really nice, beautiful things. What should you do next? You should start leveraging the Pinterest, right? So we created boards, right? So you need much more. You need to make a research of your niche, of your products, and then you start creating pins. And as I told you, you need different types of pins here. So for example, so you can use different sizes, right? So this is a very optimal size. You can write the description, you can write the title. Again, it's always great to check the demand for these words, not to type it just from your head, because there is a special tool where you can find exactly what they're searching for. But you have many characters that you can use here, that you can dog sweater, right? So even like this one, but always use here more keywords. You add link to your website, you add it to the board, right? So to pet clothes, you add the tag, and it also can show you here that people are searching for this stuff, because if there is no tag for this product, then it would be really not possible to tag. If you have your store connected, you can already add products here. So then it would be the product pin as well, along with the product pins that the Pinterest already created from your product images from your Shopify store. So every picture that you upload to Pinterest can become a product pin, because it will show the price, it will show product description, it will have a link to your store, and it will have tags and the shoppable tag. So this is just the next step. We create pins. And don't think that you need to add some words on the pin. No, plain pins like that, they work the best on Pinterest. If you are creating a blog, yeah, then you will need to write the keywords or anything. So as simple as possible, but really good and nice images of different sizes, add to your Pinterest, and you are ready to go with your account.